Cybersecurity is a field focused on protecting computer systems, networks, and digital information from various types of threats and unauthorized access. Its primary goal is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital assets. Here are some key functions and activities that cybersecurity encompasses. Protection. Cybersecurity professionals work to protect computer systems, networks, and data from a wide range of threats, including viruses, malware, ransomware, and other malicious software. They implement security measures to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Risk management. Cybersecurity experts assess the potential risks and vulnerabilities in an organization's IT infrastructure. They analyze the impact and likelihood of various threats and develop strategies to mitigate these risks. Security policies and procedures. Establishing and enforcing security policies and procedures is crucial in cybersecurity. This includes defining access controls, password policies, data encryption, and incident response plans. Network security. Ensuring the security of computer networks is a fundamental aspect of cybersecurity. This involves implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other network security measures to prevent unauthorized access and protect data in transit. Endpoint security. Protecting individual devices, such as computers, smartphones, and tablets, is essential. Cybersecurity professionals install antivirus software, perform regular updates, and implement security patches to keep endpoints secure. Incident response. In the event of a security breach or cyber attack, cybersecurity teams are responsible for responding quickly and effectively to contain the incident, investigate the cause, and implement measures to prevent future occurrences. Security awareness training. Educating employees and users about cybersecurity best practices is vital. This includes training them on how to recognize phishing attempts, use strong passwords, and follow security protocols. Security audits and compliance. Cybersecurity professionals often conduct regular security audits to assess compliance with industry standards and regulations. Example: GDPR, HIPAA. They ensure that organizations meet legal and regulatory requirements related to data protection and privacy. Vulnerability management. Identifying and addressing vulnerabilities in software and hardware is critical. Cybersecurity teams use tools and techniques to scan for vulnerabilities and apply patches or remediation measures. Security monitoring. Continuous monitoring of network traffic and system logs helps detect unusual or suspicious activities. Security analysts use this data to identify potential threats and respond proactively. Encryption. Data encryption is used to protect sensitive information both in transit and at rest. Cybersecurity professionals implement encryption algorithms to safeguard data from unauthorized access. Authentication and access control. Implementing strong authentication methods, like multi-factor authentication, MFA, and managing user access rights are key components of cybersecurity. This helps ensure that only authorized individuals can access critical systems and data. Cloud security. As more organizations migrate to cloud-based services, cybersecurity extends to protecting data and applications hosted in the cloud. This includes securing cloud configurations and data stored in cloud environments. In summary, cybersecurity plays a crucial role in safeguarding digital assets, information, and systems from a wide range of threats. It involves a combination of technologies, policies, and practices aimed at reducing risks and minimizing the potential impact of security incidents.